Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up shipping on Shopify UK. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or looking to organize your delivery options more efficiently, this guide will walk you through every step. So let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're inside your Shopify Admin dashboard, scroll down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From there, select Shipping and Delivery. This section is where you can manage everything related to how your products are shipped. Under the Shipping and Delivery settings, you'll have the option to create or edit a shipping profile. If this is your first time setting it up, choose Create New Profile. Otherwise, you can simply edit an existing one. Give your shipping profile a clear and descriptive name, something that reflects your product type or shipping region so it's easier to organize later. Next, you'll need to define your shipping zone. Since we're focusing on UK shipping, type United Kingdom in the search box and select it. You can name this zone something simple like UK Domestic to keep things organized, especially if you plan to add international shipping in the future. After that, click Add Rate to set your delivery costs. You can either choose a flat rate, which applies the same fee for all orders, or a calculated rate based on factors like weight or package size. Give your rate a name, such as Standard Shipping, and enter the cost that best suits your business model. Once all the details are filled in, click Done, and then save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up shipping on Shopify UK. Now your customers will see the correct delivery options and prices when they check out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more Shopify